Hello all. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have done the unwrapping and the texturing part in the last tutorial. So let's texture the few of its parts which are left out over here. So let's go into the polygons, select its polygons over here. Let's go into the material and let's just assign a material and let's give a UVW map to it. So select this, convert to editable poly, select this, the polygons over here, and let's assign the same texture, give a UVW map, set it as a box, again go into this, assign this, UVW map, set it as a box, convert to poly, select all this polygons over here, UVW map, just set it as a box, convert to editable poly, so select this, so select this, go into material, alright, and isolate this stuff. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, I'll be definitely deleting this stuff over here. I'll take a copy of this. So just you can push it move further if you want. So once you have done with this copy over here, let's take some references, go into rendering, view image file, goods bogey, and we need some references over here. So for this we'll be just assigning a black metallic color. So let's go into this. If you want to go with the V-Ray textures also, you can go with the V-Ray also, not a problem. So for now I'll just go into this diffuse, or else I'll just give a bit of a blackish color. Just select this all. And just assign this color and give a bit of specular to it. So same, we'll be assigning this here also. So just if anything is left out, so select this all. So we are just excluding this stuff, excluding this, excluding this. Just assign this. So now what I'm going to do here is like, I'm just selecting this inside elements, same thing over here. So select this part and just mirror it in the y-axis. Make a copy of it. Just duplicate this. So keep on saving the files. So we'll just create one track at the bottom. Just let's go to the top view. Let's create a line over here. So rendering, enabling viewport. So we can just convert to editable poly. Scale it. Just duplicate it in this way. So take a box over here. And just duplicate this. And delete this stuff. So keep on saving the files over here. After that, what we'll be doing over here is like, let's go into the material. Take eyedropper tool. Take a reddish color. just give a bit of specular to it. So go into rendering, view image file. You can take more reference over here if you want. You can go with some kind of a old metal look. So let's select this. Let's go into this bitmap. Textures. You can just assign a texture. Same thing will be applied over here. UVW map. So select this again. So just assign a UVW map. Save your file. So if you want, we can give a V-Ray texture also, not a problem. So you can go with some still textures. Or metal texture. You can go with some metal textures also. Set it as anisotropic. So keep on saving the file. So let's go back to the camera view. If you have set up a camera view, so we'll just texture this part. Convert to poly. So we can just save your file. So thanks for watching this tutorial.